Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial security with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step. To protect your financial security with Capital One, start by visiting the official website or opening the Capital One app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section to review your account balances. Next, set up account alerts to monitor transactions and balance changes. This feature can help you catch any unauthorized activity quickly. To set alerts, locate the Notifications tab under your account settings. Choose what type of alerts you want, such as transaction notifications or low balance alerts. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This will require you to enter a code sent to your mobile device in addition to your password. Consider reviewing recent transactions to ensure all activity is familiar and authorized. If you spot any discrepancies, report them immediately through your account. Now, explore the budgeting tools available within the app. These tools can help you track your spending and manage your finances more effectively. If you have credit cards, set up payment reminders to avoid late fees. Select the Payments option in the app to establish this feature. Regularly check your credit score through Capital One's credit monitoring tools. Understanding your score can help you make informed financial decisions. Lastly, consider setting up a savings goal within the app to encourage saving. By taking these steps, you can enhance your financial security with Capital One effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.